Colorado is going to get fucking pounded with snow. Just bam, 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 bam. Check this out. Southwest Colorado is going to get pounded with 10 to 20 inches of snow, possibly, maybe, kind of, we'll see. But Durango here, Telluride, you're probably going to take the brunt of the snow today into tonight, probably calm down tomorrow. We'll keep an eye on it. But Durango, you're probably going to get pounded. Up in the mountains, obviously, it's going to get a little more snow. But as far as Aspen is concerned, you might get a little bit. Montrose, just a little. Grand Junction, a little bit too. Denver, 22 with a high at 26, and the rest of the week is going to be whatever. But don't actually believe this. This could be complete bullshit. Who fucking knows? I don't actually know what's going to happen next week in Colorado. But we'll just keep an eye on it. I'll give you updates.